In this video, I'm going to show you how to make and use cutout stickers in Instagram stories. So load up Instagram, go to create a new story. Let's just take a random picture. Now at the top here, tap on the little sticker icon, and you will now see an option for cutouts. Now you can actually use a cutout of a video, so I'm going to attempt this and do this
Monty, show your mummy that you're still alive. We're gonna Monty, show your mummy
hit the
that.
next button. So it's processing the frame, so it can't find an object obviously because the dog is moving crazily. Okay, now I just manually tapped the dog, so we're going to create sticker and see what happens. How cool is that? Isn't that amazing that you can do that now with Instagram stories? So that's just showing you basically what you can do with your Instagram stories.